Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to show you how to save email addresses in Outlook automatically, a simple way to keep your contacts organized without extra effort. Step 1. First, log into your email account and open Outlook. Then, open an email from the sender whose address you want to save. Step 2. Next, right-click on the email address displayed in the email header. From the menu that appears, select Add to Outlook Contacts. Step 3. This will open a new contact profile where you can add details like name, phone number, or any other info. Take a moment to fill in the information you want to save. Step 4. Once you've finished editing, click the Save and Close button. This saves the email address to your Outlook contacts. Step 5. Now any emails from that address won't be marked as spam and will be saved automatically. You'll also have their details handy for future communication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tips.